Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling the video stitching problem. This is a fascinating challenge that appears in many coding interviews and tests your understanding of greedy algorithms and intervals. Let's define our goal. We are given a set of video clips. Each clip has a start time and an end time. Our task is to take these scattered clips and stitch them together to cover a continuous time range from 0 to a target time, t. The catch is that we want to use the minimum number of clips possible. Imagine a timeline. We start at 0 and need to reach, say, 10. We have various clips available, some short, some long, some overlap, and some might be completely useless for our specific range. We need to find the most efficient chain of clips to bridge the gap from 0 to 10. There are a few important rules. First, there can be no gaps. The coverage must be continuous. Second, we are optimizing for the minimum count. And finally, if it is impossible to cover the entire range, perhaps because of a missing segment, we must detect that and return -1. The most effective way to solve this is using a greedy strategy. At any given point in time, if we need to extend our range further, we should look at all the clips available to us right now. Among those, the best choice is obviously the one that reaches the furthest into the future. This maximizes our jump size. Here is the plan. First, we sort all clips by their start times. This allows us to process them in order. Then, we track our current covered range. We iterate through all candidates that start within our current range, pick the one with the maximum reach, and update our range. We repeat this until we reach the target. Let's walk through an example where t is 10. We start at 0. We look at our sorted list. We need a clip that starts at 0. In this case, we have a clip from 0 to 2. Since it is our only valid starting option, we take it. Our current reach is now 2. Now our current reach is 2, we need to extend it. We look for all clips that start at or before 2. We have two options, a clip from 1 to 9 and a clip from 1 to 5. Both are valid candidates. Comparing them, the clip ending at 9 gives us a much bigger jump, so we greedily choose that one. Our reach is now 9. We are very close to the target of 10. We look for clips starting at or before 9. We find a clip from 8 to 10. This perfectly covers the remaining distance. We select it, and now we have reached our target. We used a total of 3 clips. Be careful of edge cases. If at any point we cannot find a clip that overlaps with our current range to extend it, we have a gap, and it is impossible to complete the task. Also, if we run out of clips and still haven't reached the target t, we must return -1. The time complexity is dominated by the sorting step, which is O of n log, and the actual stitching process is linear. O of n, the space complexity, is minimal, O of 1 or O of n depending on the sorting implementation, making this a very efficient solution. To wrap up, video stitching is solved by sorting intervals and greedily extending your reach. It is a great example of how local optimal choices can lead to a global optimal solution. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.